How's it going, everybody? It is Unknown Coder, and today I have a new series for you guys. It's going to be pretty interesting. So as my name applies, I am kind of like a coder. I'm going to school right now to be a software engineer. So coding is part of my future job. So I've had this idea for a while to pretty much start a company that sells custom computers. I'm not going to go too far into it because obviously it doesn't exist yet. I don't want to give anything too much away. But instead of just using, like, say, Squarespace or Shopify, where I have to pay some other company to pretty much host and build my website, which I'll have to pay someone to host my website anyway. But that's besides the fact. I decided that I wanted to work on my my web development skills. So I'm actually going to be building a website, and this is pretty much going to be like a time-lapse series of me building my website from start to finish. However, I may be doing some stuff off camera that's just like experimenting with stuff on separate projects that aren't this like main code. So every time I work on this main code, I will be recording and putting it in this time lapse. So that's pretty much how this series is going to go. So this first episode is pretty much me just setting up the project, the front end and back end and server. So I will be using React.js, MongoDB, and Node.js with Express. And I am by no means an expert in developing web applications, let alone am I an expert in like React or Node. I do know a little bit more about Node and creating APIs and such, because that's pretty much what I focused on my group projects, class projects. So I do have a little bit more expertise in that. But the whole point of this is to practice and get better at React.js primarily, because I don't have as much experience with that. So a lot of this series will be me messing around, experimenting. I will be watching like tutorials on YouTube, reading tutorials on the internet and stuff like that, as well as just practicing and just experimenting, I guess. Something I want you guys to realize is that I would like to keep my like personal identity and stuff like under wraps. So there will be say like blurred and pixelated stuff where my actual real name is, because this is actually going to be on my real GitHub page where employees can look and stuff to see my projects. So I want to say that, as well as I'm going to try to let you guys like know, if even if I'm not like commentating over it, what I'm actually working on. So I do have like a GitHub project board type thing, and I will be posting screenshots of what I'm actually working on in that little section or of time, whatever, and you guys will see that. So in this video, I say we're working on setting up the React project, setting up the Node.js project and server, as well as just like getting routing working. I also wanted to work on React Redux, but it turns out I'm not far enough along yet, so that will stay in my to-do board or currently working on board. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this episode. I don't really have much more to say other than that's what this project is. If I have stuff that I want to explain more or whatever in next episodes, I will do that. However, this is not a tutorial. This is more just like a time-lapse series where you can see the process you go through to create a website or a web application with React and Node.js and MongoDB. So pretty much the MERN stack. So hope you guys enjoy this series. I'm going to try to be pumping these out. I don't know if I'll be able to do it every week, but hopefully every week or so. I'll probably record for an hour, 2 hours maybe, for every episode, depending on how much time I have. This episode I recorded for like an hour and 15. Hopefully I can cut this down to like 10 minutes each, but I have to do a lot of editing to keep identity out and stuff like that. So yeah, and there's also stuff that may be open on my computer that I need to blur and stuff like that, just because of like not personal projects, but class projects, stuff like that. Obviously I don't want to give away any identities on my classmates. So anyway guys, that's probably going to be it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this little process I'm going through and watching me pretty much learn how to do React.js. So anyway guys, this has been Ethan, or Unknown Coder, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of this series.
my dear, it's been a difficult year. And terrorists don't prey on innocent victims. Trust me, darling, trust me, darling. It's been a loveless year, I'm a man of three fears: integrity, faith, and crocodile tears. Trust me, darling, trust me, darling. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape, I don't wanna fake it. Wish I could erase it, make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know. I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, you're free to go. Dreams never mean one thing. It's happiness lie in the diamond ring. Oh, I've been asking for problems, problems, problems. I wage my war on the wounds inside. I take my gun to the enemy's side. Oh, I've been asking for problems, problems, problems. Look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape, I don't wanna think. Wish I could erase it, make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know. I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, you're free to go. You want me to be. Believe me this one time, believe me. I'm a bad liar.